Laughed it off and I said,
But does that worry you?
yes, I'm a dermatologist and yes, I do aesthetic treatments, but that doesn't mean you can ask me.
What do you think is the right age to get into the skincare?
Maybe mid-20s.
आपको क्या लगता है कि सोशल मीडिया ने लोगों को ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट बनाया है या हम ज्यादा इनसिक्योर हो गए हैं?
Because we want to discourage that unhealthy idea of beauty which has set in.
आई अंडरस्टैंड कि एस्थेटिक ट्रीटमेंट्स की अपनी एक जगह है और इम्पोर्टेंस है.
Right. And the next decade now is cellular anti-aging.
रेटिनॉल और दिस कोलेजन ये क्या है? इस पे इतना एम्फेसाइज क्यों दिया जाता है?
Acne, post-facial hair, thinning of the scalp and weight.
So how do Dr. Sama Rais chooses the skincare products for herself?
Sada brands हैं and companies हैं. Us also to evaluate has become a task.
What should be the first product कि
So
आप
basic, of course, sunscreen.
स्किन केयर लड़कों के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है?
It happens to female skin, happens to male skin.
Our guest today is someone who truly believes that healthy skin is much more about just looking good. It's about self-care, confidence and feeling comfortable in your own skin. वो एक बोर्ड सर्टिफाइड डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हैं जिनके पास क्लिनिकल एंड एस्थेटिक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट में 16 साल से भी ज़्यादा का एक्सपीरियंस है. वो मुंबई के कोकिलाबेन धीरूभाई अंबानी हॉस्पिटल में 6 साल से भी ज़्यादा काम कर चुकी हैं एज clinical and aesthetic dermatologist. She is the founder and medical head of Derma Hub, Dr. Sama Rais. Hi, doctor. Welcome to the show.
Hello.
How
Pleasure
are
to
you?
be here. Very well. How are you?
I am very good and I'm very, very excited to have this conversation with you. बहुत सारे सवाल हैं और कोशिश करेंगे कि जितना हो सके हम कवर कर सकें.
Sure.
इसीलिए हमने इस एपिसोड में सिर्फ स्किन के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस रखे हैं क्योंकि इतने सारे सवाल थे तो हमें लगा कि हेयर के लिए जब ऑडियंस चाहेगी तो हम एक अलग से टॉपिक लेके आएंगे. सो डॉक्टर, बिफोर आई आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग स्किन जो सब सुनना चाहते हैं, आई वांट टू आस्क कि डॉक्टर समा रईस जो एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हैं और एक लड़की हैं, आपके बैग में फ़ोन और वॉलेट के अलावा कौन सी ऐसी 3 चीज़ें हैं जो हमें हमेशा मिलेंगी?
Of course, अभी dermatologist होते हुए there will be basic things which will be skin care. So I always have a sunscreen. I always carry a hyaluronic and a peptide serum for instant hydration and plumping. And I always have a lip gloss which also has a little bit of hydration and plumping.
Okay, so now we know कि कौन सी 3 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो हमारे पास भी होने चाहिए before we actually came
Yeah,
to the
it's
actual.
just that instant quick fix,
Yes. Okay. अभी थोड़ा हट के सवाल है. ऐसी कौन सी एक चीज़ है जिसने आपको इस पूरे वीक में that gave a smile on your face, something that happened in this last week?
So it's so difficult to say one because I think the most amazing thing that I like about my profession is हम हमेशा इतने सारे लोग से मिलते हैं who come from different backgrounds in life. So हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ I think थोड़ा बहुत होता रहता है. But I think the sweetest thing and the weirdest thing which happened recently was a 14-year-old patient I have whose parents of course I've been treating for years and I've been treating him for pimples. पर अभी क्योंकि पेरेंट्स भी एंटी एजिंग ट्रीटमेंट्स करते हैं तो आजकल बच्चों को बहुत जल्दी दे आर अवेयर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. सो एट 14 कुछ एक्ने का ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा था एंड ही टेल्स मी कि डॉक्टर आई थिंक आई एम ग्रोइंग ओल्ड, आई नीड टू स्टार्ट डूइंग एंटी एजिंग ट्रीटमेंट्स. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज रियली क्यूट बट आई जस्ट लाफ्ड इट ऑफ एंड आई सेड
But does that worry you? Because ये
yeah,
मेरा
so
सवाल था.
we discourage. So I said, yes, I'm a dermatologist and yes, I do aesthetic treatments, but that doesn't mean you can ask me at 14 for anti-aging treatments. And they pretty much get it. So of course, I started laughing, but yeah, it was quite funny.
Now that we touched this
Yeah.
topic, मैं इसी बारे में सवाल करती हूँ
Yes.
सबसे पहले कि what do you think is the right age to get into the skincare? Like, I have a daughter who is 5.5.
Right.
So we apply moisturizer obviously, and ek din my husband was getting her ready and she was like, I told this cream is for your face and this is for your body.
Right.
And she was like, okay. So she knew that this is what mama does, and my husband just put the same cream all over her body and she shouted. And she's like, आपको पता नहीं है, this is not my cream.
Oh.
Face पे मुझे ये लगाना. And like for 1 minute I was like, oh, I have told this to her, and that's why she's doing this. And she's taken
Yeah,
it so
so
seriously
seriously.
that
So
she shouted her father.
yeah.
So, what do you think is the right age?
So so right age as in basic skincare, if you have no problem skin and you're saying anti-aging, so maybe mid-20s. I'm assuming sunscreen is always used, right? For younger children, it's only if they have a problem. They have acne, they have pigmentation. So we're trying to treat their dermatological concerns. We don't introduce them to aesthetic treatments that early, right? So I think that should be maintained because there's so much of social media awareness that they want to do everything early because they're seeing everything, right? There's so much more awareness, so they're like, oh, mom, and mostly, mom does it, so I have to do it. So this is a common
So,
thing.
I feel like I'm the culprit when
Yes,
she.
so yeah, you can't help. So even in the clinic, it's like we have the daughter doing say laser hair reduction in the other room, and mother is doing say a PRP or a Botox, and she'll be like, please don't tell her what I'm doing here, because she'll want to, she'll go home and say I want to do it. So we really have to like screen and not even tell the children. Even if the mother's in the next room, what they're doing, because yeah, that's true. They're wanting to do things much earlier.
So, what do you suggest to the younger generation, younger kids, especially girls?
So we discourage. So we have we have put in a very light-hearted conversation, right? Because kids उनको लगता है वो हर चीज जो सोचते हैं important है. So we can't like just
because, like you said,
completely-
they see.
Yes.
हम करते हैं तो वो देखते हैं and they
so we
want
can't
to do.
dismiss their feelings, but we have to like laugh it off, make them realize like, listen, you're too young. This is not for you. So
Like my
play
daughter
along.
comes for the makeup.
Right.
Like she literally asked me for the makeup. Like
Yeah.
my all friends लगाती है मुझे भी लगाना है. तो I said okay ठीक है मैं तुझे देती हूँ, and then I gave her the lip balm. I said this is the lipstick.
Yeah.
So and she feels happy.
Yeah, so
But
that's
then,
what you play with that. You give them those ceramide, hydrating lip tints or something like that, right? Something very basic, which is okay just to make them happy as long as they don't splurge on full on makeup.
so what do you think आप क्या suggest करेंगी younger generation को कि अगर स्किन केयर इंट्रोड्यूस करना होता है तो like basic moisturizer के अलावा what is the
Moisturizer,
age?
face wash, sunscreen, I would say if they have no problems, right?
Sunscreen at what age?
Sunscreen at any age.
Like for my daughter as
So
well?
if they're outdoors playing, swimming, they tan. Supposing, say, a lot of kids who play cricket, boys, right, or even girls who swim a lot, or maybe athletically, inclined. So if you have continuous excessive sun exposure, it changes the melanocytes. So melanocytes are the color-producing cells, and they permanently become larger and produce more melanin.
Okay.
When then they grow up and they are into their corporate jobs and then they don't have external so much of sun exposure, then it starts changing a bit. But a part of that becomes quite, for long-term effect, they have more melanin
So
production.
this as soon as you can introduce
yes,
the
sunscreen,
sunscreen.
especially on your vacations, outdoors. Of course, even indoors, but basic is moisturizer and sunscreen.
And sunscreen. That is for every age.
Everybody.
Okay. Now that we discussed the social media.
Yes.
So social media obviously filters, beauty standards, flawless skin. आपको क्या लगता है कि सोशल मीडिया ने लोगों को ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट बनाया है या हम ज़्यादा इनसिक्योर हो गए हैं?
I wish I could say confident, but I really think that the standards are being totally blown out of proportion. So there is a lot of insecurity creeping in because अभी हम देखते हैं कि जो patients visit करते हैं on a routine basis, and sometimes we are seeing कि अगर वो on screen presence है for whatever reason, they are never without a filter. एंड इन रियल लाइफ वो काफ़ी अलग दिखते हैं समटाइम्स, राइट? तो वो जो रियलिटी से डिस्कनेक्ट है, आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट गुड. ना अब हम फिलर्स करते हैं, एंटी एजिंग फेस लिफ्ट प्रोसीजर्स भी करते हैं. I always make it a point to tell people कि you want to look like the best version of yourself. You don't want to look like somebody else. Sometimes we have people who come with 5 photographs कि मुझे लिप में ये सेंट्रल क्यूपिड बो ऐसे चाहिए, वॉल्यूम इतना चाहिए, अपर लिप शुड लुक लाइक दिस, एंड देयर 5 डिफरेंट मॉडल्स का पिक्चर्स. नो, वी हैव टू फिगर व्हाट लुक्स गुड ऑन योर फेस. सो ऑफ कोर्स वी वांट टू डिस्करेज दैट अनहेल्दी idea of beauty which has set in, but I think that's also changing. So there was a time where people came for loud, for very loud looks. No, now they like it subtle. Now they like it that it's
Minimal.
like, yeah.
But
It's
that's
like,
again a trend.
it's a trend. No, I hope it stays. So it's like that no makeup look.
Yeah.
Right? You do
Yeah.
the makeup, but nobody says you've done it. And that looks nice. So I think that's how aesthetic work also should be.
Okay. So, जैसे like you said, and I agree with you कि social media ने insecure तो बनाया है.
Yes.
For sure. सो इफ टुमारो द फिल्टर्स एंड सोशल मीडिया डिसअपियर हो जाता है,
राइट.
आपको क्या लगता है कि जो फिलर्स हैं और बोटॉक्स हैं, इनकी डिमांड पे कितना अफेक्ट पड़ेगा?
Interesting, but good question. But I really don't think it will affect. Now, I've been injecting Botox and fillers for the last 15 years, right? तब इतना awareness नहीं था.
Yeah.
So people only come to the doctor with a problem. They're like, I'm looking really tired. I don't like the way my face is dropping. And my photographs are not looking nice. They never really know the problem. पर तब भी हम filler Botox करते आए हैं, right? So it's like you tell them this is the problem and this is the solution.
But do you agree that social media ने उसकी डिमांड को थोड़ा डेफिनेटली
I will say थोड़ा early कर दिया है. Which is also a good change actually.
यू थिंक बढ़ा नहीं है बट जल्दी
Early,
आना
younger people are coming.
Coming.
So which is good because again the future is changing, right? Say 15 years back, people came to us with aging faces or aging changes. उसे हम reverse करते थे, right? Today they come. Today we prevent. So today's is about starting say early 30s. Collagen remodeling, subtle smart lifts with non-surgical facelift, energy-based devices. तो वो जब आप 40-45 होते हैं, your face is not looking that much. So actually फिर हमें इतना filler नहीं करना पड़ता because you have actually maintained and prevented the sagging.
Okay.
So that's actually a very welcome change, I would say, with more holistic treatments.
Like, but obviously everything has its pros and cons.
Absolutely.
Okay. So I अंडरस्टैंड कि एस्थेटिक ट्रीटमेंट्स की अपनी एक जगह है और इम्पॉर्टेंस है, बट वो लोग जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते ये ट्रीटमेंट्स या करना नहीं चाहते हैं, द मैनी पीपल जो बोलते हैं कि मैं खुश हूँ और मुझे नहीं छूना है, सो उनके लिए आप क्या रेकमेंड करेंगी कुछ या एडवाइस करेंगी कि वो ऐसा क्या अपनी लाइफस्टाइल में इनकलकेट करें कि उन्हें like they get healthy skin for longer period?
So see, healthy skin always begins on the inside, right?
Yeah.
I'll always say you can never overemphasize what you eat and your sleep patterns. So that is a given for everybody. When you're so 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. is the sleeping window. That's when all the regenerative potential of the body, the healing happens, right? If you're sleeping very late, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., there are cortisol surges, which is the stress hormone, which again disturbs the body, causes more oxidative stress. Your growth hormone surges don't happen. So when the body's healing time is actually your sleeping time. So have good, clean sleeping habits, fruits and vegetables of different color, antioxidant-rich, protein-rich food, because there's something we call inflammaging, which is inflammation-induced aging, right? So all these things in the lifestyle cause inflammation at the cellular level, which ages. So again, then the next decade now is cellular anti-aging. So where we have actually started doing prevention of, by skin tightening and facelifts, we are probably going to look at preventing the cells from aging in the future. अगर in simple words I have to tell you, तो आपके cells age नहीं होंगे, तो skin age नहीं होगा, organs नहीं age होंगे, your biological age will be better. So definitely, it always begins from the inside.
So sleep and your
Food.
Diet.
Absolutely.
That's something that you recommend if you want to stay away from the aesthetic
And
और as जितना आप दूर रह सकते हैं.
And having said that, आज हमारे Indian pharmaceutical companies have very good products that they have created in the cosmeceutical range जो बहुत affordable है. Of course, अभी आप उसको ग्रेड करेंगे कि ये बेटर है कि well, that's a different story, but there are amazing products in our Indian market जो हर किसी के लिए there is a range.
हम उस पे भी आएंगे.
Yes.
उसके पहले अभी हमने अपने 2 वर्ड्स बोले, एक आपने हार्मोन्स बोला और दूसरा आपने एंटी एजिंग और रेट. सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये बताइए, रेटिनॉल और दिस कोलेजन ये क्या है और ये क्यों हमारी स्किन के लिए इतना इस पे इतना एम्फेसाइज क्यों दिया जाता है?
So आपका जो स्किन है उसमें लेयर्स है. There's epidermis, which is the superficial layer. Then there's the dermis, which is the deeper part of the skin. वहाँ पे कोलाजन, इलास्टिन, हाइलुरोनिक and all those components जो एज के साथ कम होते जाते हैं, right? Then you have the fat and then you have the bone. with age, all these layers are going down. So the fat also reduces, your bone structure also starts getting resorbed as you get older. So हमें ये सब correct करना पड़ता है as we try to fix it.
For these,
Yes, so collagen is part of the deeper part of the dermis जो आपका thin होते जा रहा है. So that's why we always want to keep plumping that collagen so you don't get fine lines and you don't have a deflation of the face. अगर volume loss होगा तो face sag होगा. तो हमें वो volume maintain करना है. As of today, we have a lot of skin boosters which regenerate the dermis. तो हम उस पे focus करते हैं.
ओके तो अभी अगला सवाल जैसे मैंने बोला हॉर्मोन्स पे है. जितनी बार भी मुझे याद है मैं आपके पास आई हूँ 99% ऑफ द टाइम वो प्रॉब्लम हार्मोन से रिलेटेड ही थी.
True.
सो आप कुछ ऐसा बता सकती हैं कि अगर कोई हार्मोनल इश्यूज हैं या इशू कोई हार्मोन से रिलेटेड है आपके स्किन का या हेयर का, कि आप खुद को लाइक कैन आई माई सेल्फ आइडेंटिफाई सिटिंग एट होम कि ये हार्मोनल्स की वजह से हुआ है. वन ऑब्वियसली आप एक्सपीरियंस से समझ जाते हैं कि अगर ये एक्ने इस टाइम पे आ रहा है विद द साइकिल तो उस वजह से है. बट एक चीज़ वो कि आप कुछ रेकमेंड कर सकती हैं कि कैसे खुद को पता चले कि ये हार्मोनल इश्यूज़ हैं, और ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं कि जो हार्मोनल इश्यूज़ होते हैं उनको आप थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. इज़ देयर एनीथिंग दैट वी कैन कंट्रोल?
So for women, I think of course एक आपके periods हैं, आपको पता है periods are not very regular, causing too much flow or too little flow. So of course not everyone has a 28-day cycle. तो I would say once a month अगर आपको आ रहा है, month skip नहीं हो रहा है, we are still okay. You know what's the normal flow. Flow ज़्यादा है, flow कम है, you know you can look at hormonal changes. You get excessive pimples और coarse facial hair, जिसे हम hirsutism कहते हैं. So that's a sign of excess male hormone in the body. वहाँ पे PCOS बहुत ही common है अभी girls में, even in young girls. तो those are the things. And a thinning pattern. आपका hair जो स्कैल्प शो है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो यू मे नॉट नेसेसरीली सी कि बहुत हेयर फॉल होता है, बट इट्स अ हेयर लॉस पैटर्न. सो आपका पार्टिंग जो है यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग कि वाई इज इट थिनिंग, वाई इज माई स्कैल्प थिनिंग. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द अर्ली साइंस आई थिंक पीपल कैन पिक अप. बिसाइड्स वेट गेन, अनयूजुअल वेट गेन, यू नॉट रियली ईटिंग इतना ज़्यादा पर फिर भी आपका वेट बढ़ा है. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द कॉमन थिंग्स.
सो फ्लो and the weight gain.
Periods, acne, coarse facial hair, thinning of the scalp and weight. These are some markers which will help you to pick up.
For the, like, one
Hormonal
can figure out, okay,
issues.
these are the,
Yes.
this can be related to the hormonal
Yes.
issues. Okay. You are a dermatologist.
Right.
So, आप सारा दिन ब्यूटी स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ ही रहती हैं. पीपल कम टू यू, कंपनीज वाले भी आते होंगे. सो हाउ डू डॉक्टर समा रईस चूजेज द स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर हरसेल्फ? आप अपने लिए कैसे चूज करती हैं?
So I am spoiled for choices, of course. I have, of course, 2 table full of products and बहुत बार I am privileged कि मूड के हिसाब से I will decide कि क्या यूज़ करना है. But of course, having said that, इतनी ज़्यादा brands हैं and companies हैं, for us also to evaluate has become a task because I don't like to prescribe unless I have tested in-house any new launch. That is, we go for launch product reviews and also we always, of course, get to test it before it comes in the market sometimes also. But yeah, I like to test them. And there is a different product for every skin type.
So is there any thing particularly, any properties in that product that you look for before you choosing?
For different people, different skin issues, right? So if you have acne skin, non-comedogenic products, right? Water-based products. You're not going to use products with silicone polymers. If you have pigmentation issues, no color, no fragrance, can't miss your sunscreen. So if you have more mature skin, older skin, it has to have more hyaluronic, more ceramides to build, hydrate, anti-aging molecules, right? So वो हर केस के हिसाब से the ingredient is different.
So if anybody has to choose कि especially anti-aging products, अगर किसी को anti-aging products use करने हैं, like you said, early age will be late
20s to mid 30s you could consider, at least late 20s.
Okay, so late 20s में one can start using the anti-aging products.
Right.
So अगर उनको dermatologist के पास immediately नहीं जाना है, what should be the first product कि आपको use कर सकते हैं?
Basic, of course, sunscreen. Sunscreen prevents not only skin darkening but aging of the skin, right?
Okay.
So the DNA damage which is happening with constant sun exposure, so आपका वो aging को delay करता है. So of course when you're saying anti-aging, sunscreen becomes most important. Hydration, hyaluronic, ceramide based moisturizers, right? And maybe one anti-aging serum by the night. So basically you're sun protecting, hydrating and repairing. So a very basic peptide or a retinol based anti-aging in the night would be good enough for most people.
To begin with.
Yes.
Okay. अगर कोई 3 स्किन हैबिट्स या स्किन रूटीन्स आपको सबको सजेस्ट करनी हो,
Right.
वो क्या होंगी?
Like I said, sun protect, hydrate, repair. अब वो डिपेंड करेगा आपका नीड क्या है. Supposing it's a teenager with acne, the repair is going to be anti-acne treatment. Somebody who has melasma or has a lot of sun damaged skin, then the repair is going to be pigmentation. If you're normal skin, healthy skin, we're going to do anti-aging for repair. So those 3 components should be covered.
One is the sunscreen.
Sunscreen, hydration, and whatever is the problem for the skin. So I'm not a big fan of the CTM routine. I think it's overhyped and I think it's just more of a marketing thing. Because if you're going to do cleansing, toning, moisturizing 3 times a day, where is the time to address the needs of your skin, right? And again, we're always talking about
Okay,
budgets.
so you say we should not go for, like, we should not...
If you have that much time and you want to keep
हाँ.
that many extra products, okay. But really, who has that much
Like,
time?
it's just that moisturizer and your
Yeah, so
sunscreen
your
is enough.
sun protection, hydration, and repairing of your skin
What is the
issue
problem is?
at the night,
Okay.
by the night.
Okay. एवरी पर्सन हैज़ अ स्टोरी. हर इंसान की एक स्टोरी होती है. हमारी कॉफ़ी आ गई तो मुझे लगा मैं थोड़ा टॉपिक चेंज
Yes.
करती हूँ. व्हाट इज़ योर स्टोरी? मतलब डर्मेटोलॉजी ही क्यों चूज़ किया आपने?
So I tried many fields, of course, before, because you know your field is like someone you marry, because आप फिर बाद में change नहीं कर सकते because
Yeah.
you're finishing your post
I like
graduation.
this.
So I had to be very certain and I explored a lot of fields. So I don't personally like monotony, and I think dermatology is such a vast field that as dermatologists we are the first contact sometimes for, say, skin rashes which present internal cancers. Skin rashes for the first time, which is lupus or rheumatology disorders. Sometimes they start with atopic skin rashes and later develop asthma, right? So it's the skin, I say, is the mirror to the body. So it is so many times that we can pick up from a particular skin rash so many internal issues. So I think I found it
But
very
that's
intriguing.
something new for me.
Yes, I think it's very interesting that a lot of times the first point of contact is a dermatologist. And having said that, it's also a completely evolving field. So when I studied dermatology 15 years ago to today, it's completely new. There's so much new happening. The lasers we used 10 years ago to the lasers we use today. So I think it's an extremely evolving and interesting field. So yeah, that was the reason.
Okay, I want to ask questions regarding that topic you just said, that skin is the first
Yes. It's
पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट. लाइक आपको सबसे पहले स्किन से पता चलता है. सो ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि, या कभी ऑफ कोर्स हुआ होगा, बट कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने कुछ बहुत ही डीप फाइंड आउट किया हो और वो आया सिर्फ मेजर इशू के लिए हो पेशेंट?
Lot of times. So recently I had an 18-year-old boy with significant hair loss.
Okay.
And seems like a regular autoimmune alopecia areata. But he had slightly elevated liver enzymes. So I said, let's do the liver profile. And one thing led to another, and he had severe steatosis and moderate fibrosis of the liver at 18. So a lot of times we have picked up, I think I have picked up a few skin cancers, not skin cancers, internal cancers, which just presented with a skin rash initially. So there's sometimes typical things which we are, of course we've studied and we know. So yeah, I think it's a very common scenario.
So you're saying कि अगर आपको normal rashes भी है, it can be little more serious than just a rashes.
Very rarely. अभी वो discretion experience के साथ ही आता है.
Okay.
Of course, a lot of rashes are very non-specific and these are not things we are seeing every day. But of course, over the years, we know कि नहीं, this needs to be worked up a little more. And इसमें शायद we may miss, and we want to make sure कि कुछ miss नहीं हो.
Okay. अभी you said कि it's been 15 years आपने जब शुरू किया था. When you first started, तब आपके दिमाग में एक ब्यूटी का क्या परसेप्शन था, एंड आफ्टर इन दिस सो मेनी इयर्स वो परसेप्शन कैसे बदला? लाइक बदला है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल? आप जब तब बनी थी डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट, आपके दिमाग में कुछ होगा कि मुझे ये सोच के मुझे ये बनना और मैं क्यों बन रही हूँ,
Right.
और आज आफ्टर 15 years of your experience, after seeing a lot of patients, where does that statement stand?
I think tremendously. I think the field has changed so much. The idea of beauty has changed so much in this whole span. Tabhi aesthetics and lasers was not a part of our main curriculum. We went internationally and pursued different fellowships and got that training. Now it's become so mainstream कि थोड़े बहुत chapters उस पे वो dermatology course में भी डाल देते हैं. So of course the idea of beauty has changed. But I think it's it's like after 40, you have more muscle loss. People work out to keep their body strong, keep their bones strong. So similarly, I feel aging is a process where people have now realized कि we can take care. होना ही है, ज़रूरी नहीं है. जैसे हम हमारे bone density को maintain करते हैं, weight को maintain करते हैं, we can also maintain our skin. So I think it's a very welcome change.
Okay. आजकल हर कोई यंग दिखना चाहता है.
Yes.
What is the definition of healthy aging for you? मतलब आपका personal opinion क्या है? Healthy aging क्या होती है according to you?
Healthy aging, I always say, first starts from inside, right? You have to have good sleep habits, you have to have the right diet. And like I said, the next decade is going to be cellular anti-aging. We're talking about internally your body doesn't age, so of course your face is not going to age. So as we are proceeding, of course we are progressing in that aspect. Plus, healthy aging, like we already discussed, is not unrealistic and unrational ideas of beauty. It has to be somebody who looks like the best version of yourself. Like we don't want 40-year-olds to want to look like 20. That is never the goal, right? But yeah, 40 years today look way better than 40-year-olds
Exactly.
looked maybe 20 years ago. So I think that defines what it should be.
DIY रेमेडीज बहुत हम सुनते हैं, सेलिब्रिटीज़ भी बोलते हैं कि मैं तो टमेटोज मुंह पे लगा लेती हूँ, मैं तो क्यूकम्बर मुंह पे लगा देती हूँ. आपको क्या लगता है कितना ये?
सबसे पहले तो आई डोंट थिंक आजकल जो बोलते हैं वो लगाते हैं because
Yes, even I disagree.
we have these things which happen in our clinic also, and they'll be like, we've done the works, हर चीज़ आप बोलो and हमने किया है, and they'll be like, I got a lot of compliments, I had my reunion and we met 20 years के बाद, and some people are like, oh, you're aging, what do? I use Korean products, I use मुल्तानी मिट्टी. तो सबसे पहले तो कोई नहीं करता है, जो भी अच्छा लग रहा है, they're doing things, right? Plus we have a lot of, like I said again, range. Right from Indian really good cosmeceuticals to the most premium international brands. तो DIY का आज कोई स्पेस नहीं है. DIY was in our grandmother's times जब नहीं था ऑप्शंस. आज आपको कोई भी बजट में आप प्रोडक्ट पिकअप कर सकते
तो
हैं.
मतलब जैसे मैं कोई DIY नहीं करती हूँ,
ज़रूरत
honestly.
ही नहीं है. See,
Yes.
again, taking so lemon was for skin lightening, but it's an irritant. If you have cuts on the face, you're going to get irritation. Why would you not just pick a good vitamin C serum and use it? तो आज हमारे पास options इतने सारे हैं that DIY is not really necessary in today's day and age.
So you also don't use?
Not at all. I really don't think it's recommended.
Okay. अभी आपने 2-3 बार ये बोला कि इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत अच्छी कंपनीज हैं, और ऑफ कोर्स इंटरनेशनल तो है ही. ये भी एक बहुत सवाल मैंने बहुत फेस किया है जब मैं कभी इंस्टाग्राम पे प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करती हूँ.
Right.
बट आई ऑलवेज से कि ये प्रोडक्ट मुझे दिया है एज पर माई डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट. आई सेड दिस, बट आई डू से कि मैं ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ, मैं वो यूज़ कर रही हूँ. और मुझे बहुत सारे सवाल ये आते हैं कि मैडम मैं इतना पैसा तो नहीं लगा सकती.
Yes.
यू आर रिकमेंडिंग वेरी एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट्स.
Yes.
तो कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट, नॉट ब्रांडिंग देम, बट कोई ऐसा बेसिक मॉइस्चराइजर और सनस्क्रीन दैट यू कैन रिकमेंड जो आपको लगता है कि रीजनेबल है, अफोर्डेबल है, बट अच्छा काम करता है, जो करना चाहिए एक.
So there are a lot of sunscreens. So like I said, for every international brand we have Indian brands which have given the similar effects. अभी तो इतने सारे sunscreens plus moisturizers हैं. मतलब आप एक product use कर लो, it's giving you
But then
hydration.
how do people choose?
That's a good question, because like I said, abhi this is again a very
Like my sister came to me.
Yes.
And she was using some I don't know, some bio product. I don't remember the name of the brand. And I was like, ये क्या use कर रही है? She's like, ये मैंने
हाँ
कहीं
तो वो
देखा
है.
तो.
So अभी सी वो प्रॉब्लम है. So this is something we see at least एक patient in a day. यहाँ वहाँ social media सब
Exactly.
जगह देख कर they pick up products and products and products, and then finally 4-6 महीने skin is worse. They come with a bag full of products, 8-10,000 खर्च कर दिया, बोलते हैं कि बस ये नहीं चाहिए, tell me what to do. Okay, so now the point is, it is difficult because of course people are not trained, and I can give names, but that doesn't mean it suits everybody, right? So I feel वो sometimes easier है कि भाई आप एक बार dermatologist के पास जाके बोल दो कि give me a routine. So at least what's right for your skin is available.
तो आपको ये बोलना पड़ेगा जाके डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास कि मुझे दे दीजिए.
हाँ, बिकॉज आप शायद आइडेंटिफाई, या तो आप ट्राई करो, पर लाइक सर अभी इतना कॉमन हो गया है कि आई डोंट इवन फील लाइक ट्राई करो, बिकॉज वो हमेशा ज़्यादा खर्चा करके स्किन वर्स करके फिर आते हैं, फिर हम स्किन को रिपेयर करते हैं, फिर रूटीन देते हैं, राइट. इट वुड बी सो मच सिंपलर कि भाई आप सीधे सीधे चले जाओ, बोल दो लुक दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट रेंज आई एम लुकिंग एट, एंड वी ऑलवेज कीप ऑल प्रोडक्ट रेंजेस. वाई? बिकॉज पीपल मे वॉन्ट मोर प्रीमियम, पीपल मे नॉट. सो बी ऑनेस्ट विद द डॉक्टर कि भाई आई वॉन्ट अ रेगुलर केयर, बट आप इतने रेंज में अगर प्रिस्क्राइब करो तो
आई थिंक दिस डज दिस हैपन. लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं आपको आके?
Of course, and we keep it very transparent, right? Even our clinic and reception is informed that we have an alternative. If you ever feel that when someone's purchasing and hasn't, you can always, say we change it for them. So it's not like there are no options.
ओके. हमने अभी तक मोस्टली विमेन एंड गर्ल्स की बात करी है.
Right.
स्किन केयर लड़कों के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है?
सेम रीजंस, कोई रीज़न ही नहीं है कि क्यों नहीं.
तो क्या वो लोग भी सेम प्रोडक्ट्स यूज कर सकते हैं जो?
बिल्कुल, बिकॉज स्किन सेम है, राइट. प्रॉब्लम सेम है. ऑफ कोर्स सर्टेन हार्मोनल इश्यूज मेन एंड वुमेन में अलग होते हैं, तो उसका ट्रीटमेंट ही अलग होता है. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट जनरल स्किन केयर, everything that happens to female skin happens to male skin.
So they also need a skin care?
Should, ideally.
ओके. और वो भी सेम प्रोडक्ट्स लगा सकते हैं जो हम लगा रहे हैं. ओके. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने किसी का 15,000 की मतलब शेल्फ पे 15,000 20,000 के प्रोडक्ट्स देखे हैं, और बाद में आपको लगा कि लाइक ऑफ कोर्स आपने नहीं बोला, बट यू आर लाइक ज़रूरत नहीं है तुम्हें?
All the time. Like I said, अभी इतनी बार बैग फुल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स वो लेके आते हैं, एंड they've spent a bomb, okay, and फिर like I said कि फिर हम रिपेयर मोड में चले जाते हैं. So no, you have something for every budget. Again, I insist on that. Plus you have all range of products. अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, you have combination products now, like you have a sunscreen with moisturizer, or you have a sunscreen with skin lightening agents, right? Or you will have a retinol with hydration even. So वो आप, instead of having 10 products, if you know the right combinations, of course that is expertise. Instead of using 6 products, I could just use 2, because those 2 would have the combinations of that. And फिर आपका budget भी बैठ जाता है.
Exactly. Okay. Of course you're a doctor, yes, and you're a skin specialist, but again you're a human being.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो आपकी skin, of course ऐसा कोई ना कोई time तो आया होगा when your skin is going through a difficult phase.
Right.
Then as a doctor, how did you handle or take care of your skin? आप क्या करते हैं जब आपके skin में कुछ
So
issues
I
आते
have
हैं?
genetically very acne prone skin, so I have to be very particular
So
कि
acne
क्या लगाया.
prone people will be happy now.
Yeah, so I have to be very particular. I cannot just go, and this is for all people who have acne, कि आप, you can't just go pick up anything and put on your skin. Have to be non-comedogenic. There's a range of product. उसमें भी आपको कुछ सूट करेगा, कुछ नहीं सूट करेगा, right? There has to be a routine acne maintenance in a part of your routine. क्यों? आपका acne clear हो गया, आप बंद करोगे, फिर आ जाएगा. So वो maintenance, like you brush your teeth, you have to use your acne treatments by the night. And of course आपको change करना है. So for me, I prefer low glycemic index carbs. I like a high fiber, high protein, low carb diet. Sugar, dairy, I completely avoid, right? So these things internally assist in preventing acne.
So doctor, I have one more question. अभी हम सोशल मीडिया की इतनी बात कर रहे हैं. सोशल मीडिया पे ऐसा कौन सा स्किन के ट्रेंड है जो आपको लगता है कि सबको ट्राई करना चाहिए, और ऐसा कौन सा ट्रेंड है जो आपको लगता है कि बिल्कुल बंद होना चाहिए, यूजलेस है?
So I think there are so many trends which come and go, but I would think that one of the things which is overhyped is the ice dunking, right?
Right.
It is coming from this concept of very cold, low temperatures causing stimulation. So जहाँ पे अभी cryo chambers वगैरह आ रहे हैं, but we don't really have any data to back कि सिर्फ ice dunking आपको उस तरह का effect दे रहा है, right? So I think it's a little overhyped, that trend for sure.
Oh, so you think that's Like, because I also sometimes get tempted and I want
So
to try.
it's cold water causes vasoconstriction, so it'll give you that little bit of brightening effect just because it constricts the vessels. But the whole concept of cold having any other benefit, probably no long-term benefits we have there.
Okay, Abhi, I'm going to ask you one question. It's a little tricky, okay? You have to choose one option. So I'm giving you 3 imaginary patients.
Okay.
सो एक ऐसा पेशेंट है, पर्सन है, जिसके पास फ्लॉलेस स्किन है, ओके, लेकिन वो हर वक्त अपने फ्लॉज को ही चेक करता रहता है. दैट्स अ फर्स्ट पर्सन. और सेकंड पर्सन है जिसके पास सिवियर एक्ने इश्यूज हैं, बट कॉन्फिडेंस कमाल का है.
Okay.
और थर्ड पर्सन है जो महीने में एटलीस्ट 30-40,000 स्किन केयर पे स्पेंड करता है, इन्वेस्ट करता है,
Right.
लेकिन सिर्फ 4 से 5 घंटे सोता है.
Okay.
व्हाट वरीज यू द मोस्ट? तीनों में से सबसे ज़्यादा आपको लगता है कि दिस इज स्कैरी?
I would think the first one, because वो बहुत vicious cycle हो जाता है, right? So if people are very self critical and sometimes इतना extent कि हम उसे body dysmorphic disorder कहते हैं, कि they get into serial surgeries, or they get into unrealistic treatments out of age proportion कि करना ही है. So this we try to discourage, because like I said, that would be the most worrisome, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई surface level change नहीं है. A lot of times it can come from some kind of childhood trauma. Sometimes maybe they had excess weight as a child and they dropped the weight, but that conditioning didn't change, right? Or sometimes they were bullied as kids, or maybe the other sibling was very good looking. Sometimes even people are dismissive or compare, तो वो एक रह जाता है in your subconscious mind. So वो unlearning and relearning actually takes a lot of counseling, and I think that would be something I'd be most worried about.
Okay. Also, and I think again we can talk about social media comparisons.
Yes,
then-
of course. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So, doctor, before we wrap up, I would love to leave you with one question that goes a little deeper. As you know कि हमारे चैनल का नाम है द स्टिल पॉइंट. सो आप डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट हैं, इतने सारे लोगों से मिलती हैं, ऐसा कौन सा पॉइंट है या ऐसी कौन सी जगह है, हर इंसान के अंदर होती है, जहाँ पे यू फील लाइक पीस, आपको शांति मिलती है?
Right.
तो ऐसा कौन सा पॉइंट है, मतलब ऐसी कौन सी जगह है या चीज़ है जो आपको वो स्टिलनेस देती है जो आपको चाहिए एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग टू लाइक जस्ट काम डाउन एंड शट ऑल द chaos?
I think if I have to put that in 2 words, it would be God and goodwill. I think it's very important that you stay centered. We all come with nothing and go with nothing. So I think your connection with God is something that keeps you grounded. And I'm also fortunate to be in a profession where we see people for decades and families. So I think the goodwill that we earn, also I go to a charitable hospital twice a week. I think it's important to give back to society. So I think that connections that we form and that goodwill is something that keeps me, I think, stable and grounded.
Okay.
And brings peace, I would say.
सो व्हाट विल यू सजेस्ट टू अदर्स? लाइक आप अगर कोई आपसे पूछे कि हाउ डू आई, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है किसी को,
हाँ.
बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको दे डोंट इवन नो कि उनको चेंज चाहिए या उनको
Right.
कुछ मेंटल पीस के लिए कुछ करना है.
Right.
तो आप उन्हें क्या सजेस्ट करेंगी?
So there's one short exercise I tell people, because a lot of times we have, there's a whole field called psychodermatology where there's stress-induced skin problems.
Okay.
And a very simple starting point is of the 4-7-8 technique. You inhale for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and exhale for a count of 8. Do it 8 to 10 times. So if you're anxious, you're in a panic state, immediately it switches your sympathetic to parasympathetic system, calms down your pulse rate, and you feel calmer. So this is a simple exercise. People can't go to sleep, or we feel they're anxious. So this is something I tell them. In the moment, if you want something quick, do that.
4, 7,
7-8 technique, yes.
Okay, that's nice. So do you do meditate? Of course, like
yes,
you said.
of course.
That's very important.
Of course.
Okay. So doctor, it was very nice having a conversation
Pleasure
with
is
you.
mine.
I'm sure आज हमने actually सिर्फ ब्यूटी के बारे में बात नहीं करी, हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें और भी डिस्कस करी हैं. एंड आई थिंक जब लोग इसको सुनेंगे और उनका जो पर्सपेक्टिव है ब्यूटी को लेके वो डेफिनेटली चेंज होने वाला है. एंड बहुत सारे मिथ्स हमने आज
Yes.
तोड़े हैं. एंड आई होप सबको ये एपिसोड पसंद आएगा.
I hope so.
एंड थैंक यू सो मच
My
for
pleasure.
coming here. We are very happy and privileged to be with
Thank
you.
you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
It was a pleasure. You make a lovely host.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay, well, that was it for today's episode. आपका इस पूरे कॉन्वर्जेशन में क्या टेक अवे रहा, प्लीज़ हमें कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताएं. अगला टॉपिक और कौन से गेस्ट हैं जो आप हमें सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं वो भी हमें ज़रूर बताएं. कीप फाइंडिंग योर स्टिल पॉइंट्स. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड.